Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're having an issue with your internet being able to work properly but your Wi-Fi is not. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And then dito sa search for apps, so type lang natin dito yung system informations. And then, click mo lang dito yung open. And dito sa system informations, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung components. So, i-click mo lang yung plus sign na yan. So, click mo lang yan. And next step ay kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung network. So, i-click mo ulit yung plus sign. And then dito sa network ay kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung adapter. So, click mo lang yan. And dito lang sa right side ay kailangan lang natin tignan kung may makikita tayong wireless EC. Okay, so scroll down lang tayo. And then kapag wala tayong nakitang wireless EC, so ibig sabihin ay probably na walang Wi-Fi adapter or is not working properly on your computer. Okay, so kapag wala kang nakita dito na wireless EC, ganun po siya. Or other solution na pwede natin gawin ay close lang natin itong system informations. All you have to do is to open up again on search menu. So dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung device manager and then click mo lang dito yung open. And dito sa device manager, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-select dito yung network adapters. Ito siya. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then next step ay kailangan lang natin i-update itong kanyang Wi-Fi driver. So, select mo lang siya and then right click. And then next step ay click mo lang dito yung update driver. And pop up tong dalawang options na search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. So, select ka lang dito sa dalawa and then itap lang natin tong search automatically. And makikita mo na dito na the best drivers for your device are already installed. So, ang next solution ulit na pwede natin gawin, so, close lang natin itong device manager. Dito lang ulit sa search menu. And then dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. And then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na ipconfig //DNS. So in all small letter lahat and then yung //DNS ay one word yan and then press mo lang enter. At makikita mo na dito na successfully flashed the DNS resolver cache. And next command keyword na kailangan natin i-type. And i-type mo lang dito yung NATSH space OneSat space reset. So, in all small letter lahat, and then press mo lang yung enter. At makikita mo na dito na successfully reset the OneSat catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So, ang next step, so close lang natin tong CMD, and then dito lang sa search menu, and then kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang yan. Alright, so wala lang po kasimple on how to fix Internet works but not Wi-Fi in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.